While hearing a petition seeking a ban on erecting illegal banners, flex boards and flagpoles, Madras High Court has directed the state government to come up with prohibitory orders against erecting illegal flag posts completely. Madras High Court has directed Tamil Nadu government to come up with appropriate rule to prohibit erecting illegal flag posts. A petition was moved in the Madras High Court seeking to ban the erection of illegal banners, flex boards and flagpoles following the death of a 12-year-old in Villupuram district by electrocution when he was helping erect a flag to welcome DMK Minister Ponmudi. Following that, now the Madras High Court has said that the state government needs to formulate rules in this regard. Mugilan joining us with more on this. Mugilan, over to you. Take us through the sequence of events that has now led to the Madras High Court shooting off a firm direction to the state government saying we need to have rules in place that would prohibit any such practice of erecting flagpoles and banners after what happened to the 12-year-old in Tonmudi.
Even after repeated incidents and multiple directions coming from the Madras High Court, we are still seeing the political parties here in the state of Tamil Nadu continue to erect illegal banners and flagpoles in the state. And recently we have seen in the month of August that a 12-year-old was electrocuted to death when he was helping a contractor to erect an illegal steel flag post, and following that a petition was moved in the Madras High Court seeking a complete ban on this illegal banner and flag post culture. So when the petition came up before the Madras High Court CJ bench, now the bench has directed that the state government should immediately form an appropriate rules to put an end to this culture of erecting illegal banners and flagpoles, and it has also stated the state government to report the action that has been taken in next 6 weeks.
Okay, thanks for joining us, Mugilan.